Y'all, even before I start to put my hair color in my hair, I use my castor oil in order to put around my edges on my hair so it doesn't over process. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. I just slather it on. Now this is not Jamaican black castor oil. As you can see, it doesn't have the dark color to it, but it is super great. It's super thick for putting on. I put it all over my ears, my edges, and my hair. All right, it's time to color the hair, and many have asked me again about what I use. So today I'm going to share with you I really haven't changed up anything much. I have my plastic bag, my processing cap that I'll put over my hair when I put on the hair color. That really helps to brighten it up. That heat from your scalp, your head, is going to help really brighten it up. So I don't use any kind of what they call toners or anything like that. I do have an empty BW2 container that I mix my products up in. So I will start with, of course, my BW2. And this one, of course, comes with a little bag and the measuring cup and so forth in it. So I'm going to scoop out, I think about 2 scoops. Hopefully there's enough in this one. I do have one on standby if I don't have enough. Scoop. And another scoop. And there's only a smidgen left in here, so I'm going to go ahead and use that so I can toss that extra container. So again, it's Castor Oil Professional BW2. It is the Dedusted Extra Strength Powder Lightener. Now, I don't recommend this for everybody, but this is the number 50 volume. This is the Cream Peroxide Developer. I don't recommend this for everybody. I do use the 50. I know my hair. I know what I want, and this is what I use. So this is super strong, so make sure you check with someone before you put this on your hair, because it might not last, okay? This is by Superstar. I know Clairol does also sell the peroxide developer as well, so whichever one is fine, it doesn't matter, but I use 50 right now. I take that same little cup and I'm going to measure it out and see about how much I need. I usually do it by eye, but since I'm doing this video, I just really want to make sure I give y'all some actual measurements. And I think we're going to do 3 cups of this, so about 2 cups of the powder lightener to 3 cups of cream developer. I just rinsed that cup out for future use, and I just put it back under my vanity here. Using my little rat tail comb, I just mix it up. Looks like so. Now, before I even got started, I went ahead and put on my castor oil on my hair in order to just lubricate around my edges, my neck, where, you know, just in case I drop some, and also all over my hair. That helps it not to over process and to also help make sure it doesn't dry out completely. So just taking my comb, it's kind of hard to talk and do. I'm just smearing all of that on, but I'm just going to use my hands. If your skin is sensitive, don't do this. Mine, it's not. I'm good. I've been doing this for eons of years. And just make sure I get around my edges good, because they tend to really get dark fast. And not realizing my hair has grown so much, I really don't have enough of this, so I'm just gonna have to spread it as thin out as I can. Just need a little bit more, but I'm gonna scrape the bottom of the barrel. okay? Once it's all on, I just take my little rat tail comb and I just kind of comb through it a little bit just to ensure I got all in my roots. And it also helps to straighten my hair. Loosen up the curls for a little while. And today I'm combing it all back because I'm planning on wearing my hair going back, waving it back. And as you can see, it does get rather messy if I comb through it like that. So that's why I put it all over my shoulders. It doesn't really help it because it splashes everywhere. And now I'll rinse my hands off and I'll put the bag on my hair. What's left of me? Drowning in fears just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Gonna rinse this out. And it's good to go for my next use. All right, now I'll leave this on about maybe 10-15 minutes. I'll just go ahead and brush my teeth and get ready to take my shower. And also when I get in the shower, just go ahead and do my shaving, armpits, legs, etc. And yeah, then I'll rinse it out and I'll be good to go and style it. So I'll be back at the portion where I've already rinsed it out and styled it, okay, or beginning to style it. So hey beautiful babes, hey, I just jumped out of the shower and this is my hair right now. And I'll have to show y'all how I make my shampoo. It's very soft right now because my shampoo has honey in it as well. So let me go ahead and get it styled. But this is it with my little new growth colored. And yeah. So again, I'll be kind of swerving it back, just trying something different right now, just ready to change up the game. I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to try to let it hang in here for a while. So yeah, that's it.